Guys, today's the day I'm finally getting ready to go on a date. So I'm bringing you along to get ready with me because this never happens and I'm excited. I'm gonna shower first because I don't think I really need to say a lot. This is my product lineup for today. This hair mask is the shit, buy it. I'm really letting y'all see the real me right now, so be grateful. But I just got out and I'm gonna do a face mask because I have a bunch of them now. I'm using the hydrating one. I'm not gonna say how I met him because it's kind of embarrassing, but this is the first time in my life I've ever slid in a man's DMs ever because he's really, really cute. And I was like, okay, well, if he's not gonna get into mine, I'm gonna get into his. But it's working out because he's the one planning all of this, so he must like me a little bit at least. I'm only posting this if this goes well, because if not, this is just embarrassing for me. So if you see this, things are going good. I think I'm just gonna blow out my hair because we already have a second thing planned and I want my hair curled for that. But this keeps dying on me halfway through. So they sent me new attachments. If they don't work, I'm literally gonna lose my fucking mind. Through and it hasn't dyed on me yet. So my hair is done. I like it so much better curled, but whatever, this will do. I'm taking a break because that was exhausting and I'm eating chicken fries and mozzarella sticks, so gourmet. Now we're finally on to the fun part, which is the makeup. And I don't really know what I want to do. Probably just the same look I do all the time, but either way, I'm excited. I don't really know where we're going, which is the only thing that's kind of stressing me out. Jesus, I almost dropped that. But I know it's not dinner, which I'm actually happy about because I hate eating in front of guys. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way, but I definitely need to get comfortable with him first, because if not, I'm just gonna take 2 bites of chicken strips and be awkward, and I don't want that. He's driving an hour for me, which is one of his green flags, and so he doesn't really know what's around me, but I think he's trying to figure it out. I sent him my address yesterday and I was like, go look around. So hopefully he has some kind of idea, because if not, I don't know what to tell him to do. I really wish I was 21 so I could get a drink and calm down my nerves, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna have to sober this out, which is, really fun. Really want to do that. And it makes it even worse because, he is. But, what can a girl do? Just, hopefully I'll get lucky and, then maybe they won't ID me, but that's probably not going to happen. People ask me for an eyebrow tutorial all the time, so this is, the closest you're going to get to it, because every time I try to film one, it just turns out bad. I don't know. It just never makes sense, and I sound, stupid. I'm a lot better at just showing and people figuring it out and watching, which, am I sounding like a negative Nancy? I'm not trying to be. But I'm using this Got To Be Glued gel. It's the best ever. I used to use the Refi gel thing, but I feel like it kind of crusts up and I hate that, and I run through it way too fast, so this is better. Don't buy the eyebrow version. It sucks ass, actually. Also, he's 6'5", so I'm excited as fuck to see that. It's like talking to Jacob Mallorie. I just carved out my brows, and that's all I really do. It's not as hard as it looks. I'm just putting concealer on and setting it with powder. I do this to start every single eye look. I can't leave it wet because my eyes are too oily. That was really cute. But I swear a lot of people say that their eyeshadow doesn't ever lay even or smooth. And this is why. You need an even base for your eyeshadow to look smooth. I really wish we were doing this tomorrow because I'm getting my eyelashes done and I would be 10 times hotter. But, if he doesn't like me at this, he doesn't deserve me at my best. I really need to get a tripod so y'all can see what I'm doing better, because right now you're balanced on a Dr. Pepper can. But I'm just using a brown shade and going in my crease. I'm definitely just going to do the same look I do always, but I don't know. I need to stay in my comfort zone to feel pretty because I need the confidence today. The reason I'm so nervous is because I haven't gone on a date since I was 15 years old, because I got my heart broken by a little asshole over text while I was in the middle of cheer practice. But, you know, I'm old enough now. It's been like 3 years. I need to get over it. And this one's too good to pass up. So I can do it. I just don't know if I know how to talk to boys still. By the way, I'm using the Patrick Ta, like, Major Dimension 3 palette. It's my favorite eyeshadow palette ever. And I mainly use these shades because I'm a cool tone queen. But now I'm going in with the darker one. I'm just going to put that on the outer edge. So this is basically like a get ready with me / everyday makeup tutorial. I broke 2 of my nails yesterday, literally like scratching myself, not even doing anything crazy. The universe is just out to get me. I'm trying to think of other things to talk about, but I'm like kind of struggling. Oh, I have 13K now. Woo! I can't believe that's real. I never thought I would have like any followers ever, but that's crazy to me that some people actually care. So shout out to all my bad bitches that follow me. I just wish I could go back in time and tell like 15-year-old me this, because I wouldn't even like post on Instagram, post a selfie, nothing. I did not like myself at all. So the character development is pretty insane. Now I'm going in with concealer to free up some of the space because it gets kind of messy. So I'm just lightening the inner part back up. I've been sitting here for the last 3 minutes deciding if I want to use that sparkle shade or not. But you know what? I'm extra, so I'm going to show them I'm extra. Okay, wow. That was a good decision. I'm going to do my eyeliner. I use the Tom Ford eyeliner. It's expensive, but the best eyeliner ever, I promise. My finished eyes. This eyeliner is so much better than this side. It always is. I'm really glad I have like a mainly female audience because I've just realized like my bra's kind of been out the whole time. But I mean, compared to some of the other stuff I'm posted, I don't know why I care. Like, it's not even that bad. I'm using the Patrick Ta foundation, by the way. I really, really like it. The smell is kind of like different, but it works good, so. The more time passes, the more I'm getting like nervous. I don't know, I'm just so closed off when it comes to guys. I'm so used to them being like assholes, and this one's not, so I don't know. I'm like, please go well. I'm just waiting for Patrick Ta to come out with the concealer because literally every single step of my routine is his now. Like eyeshadow, foundation, bronzer, blush, lip liner, lip gloss. It's all Patrick Ta. If someone from the PR team sees it, please put me on. I swear to God, like I will only wear your brand for the rest of my life. I'm not even kidding. If you don't put blush on your temples, this is your sign to start because look at it before and then after. Like, I feel like it just looks so much more even. This is how I place my concealer before I blend it out. I swear, like, this shape just makes it come out so much better. When I actually bought the dark powder foundation of this Gucci powder, I thought it was the bronzer, but it works perfectly fine. Someone was, like, concerned it wouldn't work, but it's literally a powder. You can use eyeshadow as bronzer if you want. Almost done with my makeup, and I'm doing so good on time. I'm definitely gonna have enough time to like listen to Beyonce and make thirst traps, because that's what I need to do to like be my happiest, most confident self, which is stupid, but it works. I used to always skip my lower lash line, and recently I've been like obsessed with it. I just feel like it pulls everything together and it makes me look like less crazy, or maybe it does the opposite. I don't know. Addicted sent me like clothes for their Black Friday sale, and I need to like post TikToks for those. I haven't filmed them yet, so I'm like kind of stressed about that. So if I'm bored when I get back later, that's what I'm gonna do because my makeup's kind of slaying. Makeup, and now I'm gonna go put on my outfit, and hopefully I will feel better because I feel fine right now, but okay, I think this is what I'm wearing. It's like simple and cute. The greens match good. I feel better, but I'm like, is this enough? But I don't know what we're doing, so I'm gonna make thirst traps now. I'll let you know if it went well. I'm a happy girl. Better than I could imagine, honestly.